Hi, and how are you all today? I'm Priyanka and let us discuss the following question. It says, fill in the blanks with acute, obtuse, right or straight. So these are the four options which are given to us and we need to fill up each blank using these four names. Now, the first statement given to us says, an angle whose measure is less than that of a right angle is dash. Now, we know that a right angle's measure is equal to 90 degrees. Now, which angle measure is less than 90 degrees? So, it comes out to be the answer, that is acute. Right, because we know that acute angle's measure is less than 90 degrees. Proceeding on to the second statement, it says an angle whose measure is greater than that of 90 degrees. Now, we know that 90 degree means, right angle means 90 degrees, greater means more than. So, angle whose measure is greater than 90 degrees is called an obtuse angle. If and only if there is a reason also, or let's say a condition, if the angle is less than 180 degrees, provided it is less than 180 degrees also. The C statement says an angle whose measure is the sum of measures of two right angles. Right angles means 90 degrees. Two right angle means 2 into 90 degrees, that is 180 degrees. And their sum means 90 plus 90, that is 180 degrees. And the angle's name whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle, right? So, this is the answer to the C part. D part says, when the sum of measure of two angles is that of a right angle, then each one of them is, now it says that sum of two angles, let's say angle X plus angle Y, it should be equal to 190 degrees. It should be equal to 90 degrees. So what will be the measure of these two angles? That means these two angles has to be less than 90 degrees. And the name of the angle which is less than 90 degree is what? Absolutely. It's an acute angle. Proceeding on to the last part. When the sum of measure of two angles is that of a straight angle now, one of them should be, now angle X plus angle Y should be equal to 180 degrees. There is a possibility that both of these angles are 90 degrees. So we have 90 plus 90, that is equal to 180. Or it can be one is 120, other is 60 and vice versa. So there is a possibility that a right angle or an obtuse angle. So one of them can be a right angle, that is 90 degree, or 120, an obtuse angle. So this completes with reason why we filled up these blanks with these names only. I hope you enjoyed the session. Do take care while studying what the sentence is all about. Bye for now.